NCERT book, Class 9, Mathematics, Chapter number 6, Lines and Angle. Let us see the introduction part, that is basic terms and definition. Here basic terms and definition is given. See, a line with two endpoint is called line segment. Now, if your line with a two endpoint, then it is called line segment, such as this is called line segment AB. Now another definition, a part of a line with one end point is called ray. Now a part with one end point, so this is called ray AB, right? One end point. Now another one is, it is denoted by AB, the ray denoted by ray AB, like this way we are writing ray AB and line segment AB this way. Okay. Now another one is that if there are more points lie on the same line, they are called collinear point. Now if you have the line like this way, okay, if your point A, B, C, D lie on a same line, then they are called collinear point. And if your point lie other side like this way, this is A, B, C, so this is called collinear. If your point lying on a same line, collinear, and if it is on the other side, so then it is called collinear point. A ray making an angle called arms of the angle. Now your angle is there, okay, this is ray. By merging two ray, okay, then it is form an angle. Now this is called arm, first term, second arm, okay. The ray making an angle are called arm of the angle. The end point is called the vertex of the angle. This end point is called vertex, okay. This endpoint is called vertex. This is also vertex. Another definition. Now what is line? This is called line, okay. Line AB which have no end point. Now intersecting line. When two lines intersect each other at one point, this O, when two lines, this say line M and M, if intersect each other on one point, then it is called intersecting line. Now parallel line. What is called parallel line? If the line doesn't intersect each other, then it is called parallel line, but that difference should be same. Between the parallel line, the difference should be same. See, if it is here, it is 1 meter distance, this is also 1 meter distance, then it is called parallel line. Now see the angles. Angles means two ray forming by intersecting form an angle. This angle, this is called an angle. Now acute angle. Acute angle less than 90 degree. Acute angle means less than 90 degree. So this angle, you can say this is less than 90 degree. So we can say this is an acute angle. Right angle. Right angle is equal to 90 degree. It should be straight line, right, like this way. So it is a equal to 90 degree. Obtuse angle, greater than 90 and less than 180. Greater than 90 and less than 180. So this way, this is obtuse angle, greater than 90 and less than 180. Now straight line. If your line, first ray going on this side and second ray same as opposite side, forming straight angle, okay. So straight line and straight, this is straight line, straight angle is equal to 180 degree, okay. Here it is angle, straight angle, okay, which is 180 degree. reflex angle means greater than 180, less than 360. In this chapter this is important. Reflex angle, so many times they ask. See, like this way, if your angle is there and you have to find this one, okay, this is your inner angle, this is outer. Reflex angle greater than 180, less than 360. Okay, so it is greater than 180 and less than 360, then it is called reflex angle. Now another one, pair of angles. Now when we can say that this is a pair of angle? Now if you had given two angle like this way, okay, your first angle and this is second, first and second, if you sum this, they are equal to 90 degree. That should be equal to 90 degree. So how it can be possible? Now first angle plus second angle, which is equal to 90. If you had given this is 30, okay, first angle you had given 30 and second we have to find. So first angle 30 plus second equal to 90 degree. So second as it is, so 90 minus 30, second angle equal to 90 minus 30 is 60 degree. So second angle is 60 degree. Okay, if you want to find the complementary angle, their sum is A plus B equal to 90 degree. Okay, angle 1 plus angle 2 equal to 90 degree. Same as in supplementary, but see, if you had given an angle like this way, this is angle X and Y. If you had given angle X is 45 and we have to find Y. Now sum of these two angle is 180. The supplementary means sum of two angles should be 180. So if you plus this, X plus Y equal to 180. So X is given 45 plus Y equal to 180. So Y equal to 180 minus 45. So Y equal to 10 minus 5 is 5, 7 minus 4 is 3 and 135. So Y equal to 135 is the answer. So if it is not 180 equal to, if you had given two angle and if you sum that and that is not 180, then it is called, it is not a supplementary angle. Now what is adjacent angle? See, now you had given this angle A, B, C and D. Okay, in adjacent angle one arm should be common like BD. Okay, 1 and 2 angle are there, so one arm common, first common arm, one arm should be common, one vertex should be common, vertex means this vertex B. So second one common vertex, and third non-common arms on different side. Non-common arm means this one and this one on different side of the common arms. Okay, both the side should be different arm should be there. So what we will say, non-common arms on different side. One common arm, one common vertex and non-common arms on different side. These three condition is satisfied, then we can say this is adjacent angle. Now what is linear pair of angle? If you had given two angle on straight line, okay, it's X and Y, their sum is 180, should be 180. Okay, then the sum of two adjacent angles so form is 180. Linear pair means their if the two angles form on a straight line, then we can say that it is linear pair of angle. Their sums should be 180. Now see, if you are given this y as 140 and if you have to find x, so x plus y equal to 180, so x plus 140 equal to 180, so x equal to 180 minus 140, so for x equal to 0, 0, 8 minus 4 is 4, so x is 40. Okay, so if you want to find the linear pair of angle, then this is the way, same as supplementary angle. Vertically opposite angle. Now if two lines intersect each other, okay, they are forming vertical angles. Angle x and this angle y are vertical opposite angle. And in vertical opposite angle, how many pairs are there? This is one and this one, two pairs. Okay, x is equal to y, then give this equation a and b, then a is equal to b. These two are angle. Okay, if x is 30, then y is also 30. If a is 130, then b is also 130. Both are same. Okay, vertical opposite angle are same, equal. Assumes 6.1, if a ray stands on a line, then the sum of two adjacent angles so form is 180. Adjacent angle means have one arm common, like this way, one arm common, one common vertex. Okay, angle so form is 180. If a ray stand on a line, means straight line, like this way, straight line. If a ray stand on a straight line, okay, the sum of two adjacent angle, one is forming like this way, because forming adjacent angle, so one common arm, one vertex and non-common arm on different side, that should be there, then only we can say that is adjacent angle, is form 180, equal to if angle x plus y equal to 180. They are saying this, that if they are forming like this way, they form equal to 180, which is called linear pair of angle. Recall that when the sum of two adjacent angle is 180, if your sum is adjacent angle is 180, then they are called linear pair of angle. If you had given the adjacent angle like this way, adjacent angle AOC and COB, this is adjacent angle because it is common arm, one common arm, common vertex and one non-common arms on different sides, so they are called adjacent angle. So angle x and y, if you plus this, then equal to 180, then they are called a linear pair of angles. If the sum of two adjacent angle is 180, then the non-common arm of the angle form a line, same way. Okay, that only same reason, only written in different way. If the two adjacent angle, if their sum is 180, then the non-common arms of the angle form a line, means non-common arms form a angle line. Okay, now the two axioms above together is called the linear axioms. Now theorem 6.1, if two lines intersect each other, then the vertically opposite angle are equal. That means vertically opposite, if two lines intersect each other on the one point, then the vertically opposite angle are equal, means this and this angle are same and this and this angle are